good morning. People still see I don't have any hair, and some of them now know that's because I take it off every 6 months for cancer scan. And I was there yesterday, or the day before. People want to know what was the results and the answers. So I've been on this journey with skin cancer, started about 6 years ago. I still remember Pastor Gary, one of my veteran friends in church and our kids pastor at the time. He came with me to the first surgery. I had surgery on my eye. It was cut from here all the way down here. And the spot on my head to remove cancer. And he came with me and he prayed for me there at the hospital or the surgery place. And he told me a couple of things, what to focus on and so on. So with the help of Jesus leading me through all this, it started clearing up. So in the beginning, I had about 10 different surgeries, places that I had to remove surgical. Last one was about a year and a half ago on my arm. But since then, the last 3 visits, when I go for a 6 months checkup, they find new spots, stuff, like this one. 2 days ago, they found 20 new spots. Out of the 20 new spots, only 8 was precancerous. The other was not at all. They could just burn them off. And even the precancerous ones, the 8 that they found, was so small they could treat it right there on the spot. Set me on fire with their liquid nitrogen. And so far, it's getting clearer and clearer as we progress. And so this is the prayers of all the people who are praying for me, and my wife praying for me, and guys at church. And I will never forget that first day when I went for my first surgery, when Pastor Gary went with me. It was really something special to have someone with you that can help you through the process. And now I'm standing way stronger. So about 6 years later, and you can see the results. It's coming clean and clean, and every time I go, it's less and less of a problem. And they always catch it a little early and be able to treat. So I haven't had any surgery for a year and a half now. Only thing I need to do, I also got some wisdom from God, some wisdom, stay out of the sun. So if we ever meet up for a barbecue or a braai or something, and you see me somewhere else inside or out of this, that's why I'm staying out of the sun. Because this was caused, most of it, by the African sun. It's catching up with me right now, all my years in the military there in Africa, South Africa. But that's it. So for those who wanted to know, that's the results. I'm all right. I'm clear right now. And I will go back in 6 months and I will check me again. So thank you. See you later.